So what's up, YouTube? Today I'm working on this fucker. What I'm doing is I'm changing out this chain cover, this shitty ass chain slide stock, and there's a wheel down there too. See that wheel? Yeah, so for some reason this fucker makes shit tons of noise when I ride. It's like fucking brand new. This shit doesn't have no miles on it, but it's like I can just hear the fucking chain. So today I'm gonna switch this shit out with some TM Designworks shit. Let's check that out. Yeah, so this is the sprocket cover with the new chain protector, or the case protector and cover. That's the new slider. It's got a lip in it. And that's the new roller. It's a power lip roller. I'll give you a comparison of the other shit here as soon as I take it off. Pop this cover off there. It's a 5mm Allen head. Not sure if you have to reuse the bolts, we'll find out here in a minute. Come on, bitch. Holy shit, that was hard. There's your case protector from the factory. So that bitch, that bolt right there, that's a 10. One fucking bolt, that makes it nice, huh? Coming in at a funky angle due to filming. Huh? I don't know why I'm filming this. People like this kind of shit. We'll see what the fuck. Come on, bitch. It's like that. Huh. Alright, so now we're at this roller down here. And the nut, well, it's a bolt I think is back here. So you can get a wrench behind here and stick it on there, but it's a bitch. I'm worried about stripping it, but I think I got it. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm back here between the chain. It's just, I have a really long wrench, so that's still a fucking pain in the ass, but I think I got her loose. Nothing else. Extension, it's 12mm. Right. Come in from the back side. Ooh, right in there though, huh? That is tight. I'm gonna have fun putting that in. Oh, you motherfucker. Everything's gonna be a bitch for me today, huh? This is what I get for trying to film shit.
troubleshoot on YouTube. This shit never done like this. Maybe it would be easier for you if you know how to troubleshoot.
Fucker.
Man, what pain in the ass? Just keep a mind with you.
Got the fucking thing. Alright, so let's do a little comparison on here. So this is the stock chain cover, and this is the chain guard. You should feel this thing. That's the case guard that goes like this. Basically sits in there like that. Protects the case. It's a piece of shit. It's flimsy. This is the new one. So this thing's a little piece of flat piece of shit. This is the new one. It's a case saver. Thick. Look at this thing compared. Yeah, so big difference. This doesn't even weigh that much at all neither. Slaps on there. Came with new bolts. There is the stock piece here. Chain slider. There's the aftermarket. Now these look pretty fucking similar. There's really not a lot of difference in there. Definitely been using TM Designworks stuff for years, and I know it's not gonna get all beat up like this stalker. Now these didn't come with any new bolts or anything. This guard here came with new bolts. This one you just use your stock bolt. And last, here's our little roller. This thing's such a piece of shit. It has a centerpiece and it's got play in there, like it doesn't even stay in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it pops right out. So this basically no bearing, just floating on itself with some space. And check out this aftermarket one. I like that power lip, keeps the chain up off the roller. I imagine it goes like this maybe, yeah. This shit won't get beat up like this. And it came with bolts and everything you need. It says you can use your factory bolt, but I think I'm gonna end up using their bolt. So yeah, that's that. Like, I ain't affiliated with these guys at all. I'm just trying to show you guys. I always liked TM Designworks stuff. Always works great for me. So, and this stock Raptor shit, this is a must, because this shit is junk. So we'll slap her on and go from there. Getting closer here. We'll start with this roller. So I checked out the old one. It looks like the deeper side was aiming out. They say to put, I got a washer on there and a washer on here. They give you 3. They say you may need to space it out so it hits the center groove in the chain. So we'll see. It's a pitch to get in there. Also, this factory bolt was a 12. This puppy's only a 10, so that gives us a little more clearance. Fucking comes a fun part.
I can't see shit. There we go. Man, that was tight.
Damn it. Let's see if that lip lines up there.
Oh, that's lazy. There's literally no room there. That ain't good.
Hard to tell if that's in line or not.
All the torque is bench too.
Yeah. I'm gonna fuck with it. Let's see if this turns free. Seems pretty good to me. Just as good as the factory one. So next, let's throw this centerpiece on. So I'm gonna try to change slider next, just so when I get these grooves in there, I can see before I put that cover on if this is still lining up with that. Gotta make sure the lips line up, you know. And we just force this bitch in there, I think. That's what I'm doing. That's definitely gonna need some persuasion. I'll grab a hammer. Plastic on plastic, right? With this slider here. So it's supposed to just slide on there. It's fighting me, so I'm gonna hit the back side with the hammer. Bring it around, see if we can get this going. I tried just to shove that in there, but it's fucking tight. Starting. Okay. Hopefully you can see that alright, but let's let her tip. Give it a little fucking smack. And there's this bolt that goes in that hole. Alright, that was easy enough. Now that all this is in line, I want to double check and make sure those are lining up. Man, Banshees are way easier. I really can't tell if I'm in line between them two. Seems pretty good.
I'm iffy on that.
I guess the best way would be crawling in the machine and make a check there. But for the sake of this shit, this puppy next. No, it's the guard. Goes in the case, saves the case there. Thick here, thin there. Long bolt, shorter bolt. Kind of fucking straightforward, I'd say. And these are 8mm, which I gotta run and grab real quick. There we go. I like that a lot better. Now with all aluminum, I don't use a torque wrench. I'm doing this shit my whole life, but always use a 1/4 inch short handle. You can't really over tighten this shit. Feel your wrist, bounce back and forth. That's pretty tight. You're not trying to fucking hold on a wheel, so I match the torque with my wrist. Boom, you don't want to strip that shit off. Well, I gotta admit, that already looks 10 times fucking better. See what? Bunch more blue shit. Fancy. I don't know. Next time we'll take this puppy out, run it, see if that shut this chain noise up a little, because that was kind of my goal. Then I know this shit'll last a lot longer than stock. Look over here, I even run it on my kicks. Designworks, buddy. Oh, that's factory edition. Oh well. Till next time. Thanks guys. See ya.